What's up, guys? 2025, how to export the Webflow site for free. First, don't do that. That's the old method. Publish it to just the Webflow development domain and open up Xflow.site. You can use this for free for at least one or two websites, and maybe if you need more, you can use a different email or make a new account or something. Um, I have an account here. I'm going to do new export. And then what we do is take the link to this and plug it into here, export the CSS folder, export JavaScript, export images and media files, export all pages, remove Webflow badge. I check this one. It says pages should be exported with HTML extension. Okay, and then if you want to publish it, I like to use Netlify to publish mine. So you want to do get sync, and then you enter in your repo information. So while we wait, or let's see, let's make a new GitHub repo. Just gonna call it agency of the Ozarks. Okay, good. Public. Okay, and then copy the URL for that. Drop it into here. Username, password. I think it's this. I don't know. Okay, hopefully that works. And new website export. Perfect. All right, let's let that export. This is my favorite method of doing it because with Xflow, I'm pretty sure you get to retain the CMS capabilities. Yeah, including CMS pages. So it doesn't break the whole thing when you do this. Whereas obviously we all know if you go here, export code from here, upload that to Netlify, your CMS is totally broken. So I like how Xflow does it. Also, this tool allows you to export any Webflow site. Like I just gave it the domain. So obviously I'm able to export Webflow websites that I don't even own. And who knows what functionality that could bring you in the future. All right, I'm going to tell you guys about this error so you don't run into this issue. The get sync failed. By the way, I'm not worried about these. These are just template pages that are probably broken anyways. But the get sync failed due to basically the login info not being correct. What you need to do is generate an access token in GitHub. So you go to settings in GitHub, and then you go to developer settings, and then you click personal access tokens, and then you click classic token, and you hit generate classic token. And then what you do is rerun this, but with your personal access token. So, okay, good. It didn't leak it. Great. And everything else looks correct there. Save it. And then we're going to resync, and it should work that time. It's 180 megabyte website because there's a ton of images in here. So it's going to take a while again. I'm going to pause this. Okay, guys, perfect. So as you can see, get sync was a success. Now we're going to head on over to Netlify and get this bad boy hosted. Uh-oh. Okay, perfect. So we're going to add new site, import existing project, click GitHub, authorize it, click the website. So this one is this website. Site name. Whoops. Why isn't it working? Oh yeah, you have to use dashes. Okay. Great. And deploy. And then you wait again. Actually, we have to connect to the domain. So let's connect to the domain. Go to domain management, add a domain you already own, if you already own it. Agency of the Ozarks. Pull up those DNS settings. And add domain. Okay. So we're going to set up the Netlify DNS settings. And I always forget how to do this part. That's not that. Oh. Oh, here we go. Okay. So, yeah, here, this is easier. Just using these records. But actually, I used, yeah. Yeah. All right, there we go. So this is the name server that we have to add to the domain. So Agency of the Ozarks, DNS, and then domain name servers, use custom name servers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Disable whatever that is. And should be good to go. Hit done. And usually this works pretty quickly. And congratulations, we now have our website hosted completely free using Xflow and GitHub and Netlify. There you go, guys. I hope that was helpful to you.